What is up, everybody? And today, I found a new way how to make slime, and you're only gonna need 2 ingredients. So you're gonna need some baking soda, and you're gonna need some soap. I'm just using Ocean Breeze. Yep, and yeah, that's basically it for today. So first you're gonna get some, and you're gonna need something to mix with and something to mix in. I don't have a container, so I'm just using some tin foil. So first you're gonna get your soap and pour it. Okay. Then you're gonna get your baking soda and pour just a little bit. Like, let's say, oh no, that's way too much. Oh my god. Guys, do not add so much baking soda. It still worked. Yay! I didn't expect it to work. I thought this was gonna be a fail, but it worked. Yay!